What's going on, guys? Back here again with another video, another episode of Acapella Sessions, alright? And today, I'm doing another song from the last mixtape, or my only mixtape, Positive Thoughts Volume 1. And today's song is, I want to say, it's my favorite song on the mixtape. It's one of my favorite songs that I've done, out of all the songs that I've done in my life. It's called Unstoppable, and this song has a lot of truth in it. It has a lot of truth, where I talk about me leaving, dealing with certain people in my life, certain negative people in my life who were trying to make things hard for me, and then me having to get away from that, get away from the toxic environments, the toxic situations, and to have to rely on myself and rely on my faith in God and rely on my faith in the universe and believing in myself and then creating a new path for myself. Okay, so that's what this song is about, and I feel like it's gonna motivate a lot of you. It motivates me every time I hear it. So, yeah, I don't know. Without further ado, let's get into it, man. I remember when they said I couldn't do it. I remember when they said I wouldn't do it. I remember when they said it was impossible. Now look at me, I'm on top and I'm unstoppable. Cause I got God on my side, so I'm flying past the sky. If you down, you can ride. If you not, you can slide. I don't need nobody, let's just get that clear. I got angels all around me, so I have no fear. Clocked in my 9 to 5, working real hard. They try to play me, cut my hours, try to make me starve. I did everything I could just to keep the peace, but to them I was never good, they want me to cease. What goes around comes around, and we all know. I found my peace, I wish them well, and I let them go. Cause I got bigger plans, yup, bigger plans. Start some businesses, help all my people win. Even though some of my people tripping, they want me to lose. They want me sad, down bad, probably on the news. My cousin said he had a dream where I got shot. Wouldn't be the first time the devil tried to cock block. But I'm blocking all shots, spiritual power unlocked. Soldiers of the light, put on your armor, it's time to rock. No weapon formed against me will win. I'm standing tall, I'm a ball till the end. I remember when they said I couldn't do it. I remember when they said I wouldn't do it. I remember when they said it was impossible. Now look at me, I'm on top and I'm unstoppable. Cause I got God on my side, so I'm flying past the sky. If you down, you can ride. If you not, you can slide. I don't need nobody, let's just get that clear. I got angels all around me, so I have no fear. And there you have it, guys. That was my song called Unstoppable. I'm not gonna lie, I had a hard time trying to get that out there. I had to stop recording and then press record all over again. If you can see, my hands are soaked from just, I don't know, man, the nervousness. It happens sometimes. When I do things I'm really passionate about, when I do things I'm really feeling in the moment, I really do get nervous. A lot of you guys think I guess people who put themselves out there, I guess you guys think that we don't get nervous, we don't get scared. I'm scared of a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? I'm nervous of a lot of things. Right now my hands are clammy, and it took me so many tries to record this video. But the thing is, I'm very brave, and I think that's what it is. We're very brave. We're still scared. I still get butterflies in my stomach. I still get nervous. It's just, I do it anyway. You know what I'm saying? Because I know it's what I'm supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? And I really feel it. I really want it. You know what I'm saying? And then every time later, when you come across the same obstacle, it gets easier. Or I guess it doesn't get easier. You just get stronger. So it works out. So I don't know. I threw that in there just to let you guys know. And hopefully that touches anybody who feels the same way or has been in the same position before. Do what you got to do. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have people come against you. You're going to have people slow you down. You're going to have people try to stop you. If you really feel like this is what you need to do, if you really feel like this is what's best for you, then do it. You know what I'm saying? There's going to be times where you're going to have to, it's going to seem like you're going against everything. right? It's going to seem like everything is coming against you. It's going to seem like all the walls are closing in on you, right? And you're just going to have to believe in yourself. And you're going to have to be the only one standing. And you're going to have to be the only one walking down that road that you're walking down. But as long as you believe in yourself, as long as you keep believing in whatever you want to believe in. I say God, I point upwards, right? By God, I mean source, universe, creator, whoever created me and everything around me. As long as I keep believing in that, that allows me to believe in myself. And then as long as I keep believing in myself, I'm unstoppable. And you can too. You just have to believe it and then step into it. Okay? But as always, guys, positive thoughts at all times. Stop playing yourself, okay? Keep God first and your heart in the right place, and you will always win, baby. I'm the example, okay? Perfect example. All right? Yes, you can. You got this, baby. We're all unstoppable.
I remember when they said I couldn't do it. I remember when they said I wouldn't do it. I remember when they said it was impossible. Now look at me, I'm on top and I'm unstoppable. Cause I got God on my side, so I'm flying past the sky.